Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video with ZoomNets, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you guys how to promote Java Burn. So it's a really popular product on Clickbank that's been running for a while and it's doing pretty well. It has a gravity score of 164, so I'm going to show you how to do that today. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is get our affiliate link. So just gonna hit promote, enter your affiliate ID, and then generate hop link, and then you have your affiliate link right here. So I'm just gonna hit copy, and then I'm gonna paste it on a notepad somewhere. So this will be the affiliate link that we're gonna be using, right? Okay, so the next step, what we want to do is promote our offer using Facebook ads. So Facebook ads is definitely one of the best ways to drive traffic to your offer, affiliate offers, because it's really targeted traffic, and Facebook has a lot of audiences that you can target, and you can start seeing sales really right away. But before you just start creating a Facebook ad campaign, you have to understand that Facebook is a little bit tricky when it comes to promoting affiliate offers. There are some rules and regulations that you have to follow, so that way your account doesn't get banned, right? So what we want to do is create a theme page. Something like this. So basically a theme page is, if you're promoting a health and fitness offer, you want to create a theme page like this, and then just try to we're going to be running traffic. We're going to be running our ad campaign from that theme page. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and create a theme page. It could be anything. It doesn't have to be, fancy. You can just name it whatever you want to name it. It's a very generic name. It doesn't have to be, specific. I've named this theme page basically around, health and fitness. So this is the theme page that I'll be using to promote my offer. Okay, so one of the most important steps that you have to do before you can start running your Facebook ads campaign is that first you have to create what's called a pre-sale page. What is a pre-sale page? It is a landing page that when your prospects clicks on your ad, it takes them to a web page, and that web page pre-sell your offer and then takes them to your actual offer page. And the reason why you have to do this is because you cannot send direct traffic from your Facebook ad to your offer, to your affiliate offer. So when you run your Facebook ads, you can't put your affiliate link inside of the Facebook ad and then send it directly. If you do that, your ad is going to get rejected, or worse, your account is going to get banned, right? So you have to create what's called a bridge page. And to do that, you need to have either a website builder or a landing page builder, something like this that I'm using right now, which is called Go High Level. And I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm going to go here to sites. And these are all the landing pages that I've created for a lot of the affiliate offers. And then I'm going to go here, find Java Burn. Okay. So this is one example. Okay, so this is a landing page that I've already created. Okay, so what's gonna happen is that your prospects are gonna click on your ad, and then once they click on the ad, they're gonna be taken to this landing page, and then from this landing page, then they're gonna be taken to the actual Java Burn page, right? So it's a three-step process. So you're gonna have the ad, the landing page, the pre-sale page, and then the sales page of your offer. And so what we want to do is we want to come here, create. Now I already had this landing page created. If you don't know how to create this bridge pages, check out my other video on how to create pre-sale pages. I'll leave a link on this video so you can check that out. If you want to just get the pre-sale page that I'm using and other pre-sale pages that I also created, check out the link in the description below, and where you'll be able to download those as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and edit this real quick. Okay, so we're here inside of our landing page builder, and then this tool is really simple. You're just gonna go and find your call to action. So basically the call to action is where your the visitors who visit this landing page are going to be clicking on. So for example, like this one right here, once they click on it, it's going to be taken to your offer page. So you want to embed your affiliate link in each of these call to action, right? So right here, this one, I'm just going to do the link, and then we're going to bring my affiliate link right here. I'm going to place that. Okay. And then you're going to do that with another one. Same thing. You're going to embed that. And then do this one, same thing as well. All right. And yep. So you want to do that with every button, every call to action that you have on this landing page. So there was 4 of them, right? So you want to make sure that you put your affiliate link. That way, when they click on it and they're taken to the actual offer page, which is this one, and then they actually purchase the product, you actually get the commission for it, right? So because they're using your affiliate link. So they're gonna click on your ad, they're gonna land on this landing page, and then they're gonna be taken to the final page. All right, so now your landing page is already created. You're gonna save it. And then once you save it, what you wanna do is get the your link for this, right? So let's see right here, you're gonna go to setting here, and then I'm just gonna choose a domain that I've already set, right? And then I'm gonna save this. And then now I have my landing page, okay? So I'm gonna copy this and paste it on the notepad here. So this is the landing page, the pre-sale page that I'm using. So I'm just gonna check on it. All right, so here's our landing page, okay? So we got the URL for that landing page. Once they click on it, they're taken to that, all right? So this URL is the URL that we're gonna be using inside of our Facebook ad, okay? Okay, so now that we have our affiliate link and then we have our bridge page already embedded, so I'm just gonna call this bridge page with our affiliate links already embedded. Next, we're gonna get ready to create our Facebook ad. But before we can set up the Facebook ad campaign, we need to first have 3 ad creative images. So these are the images that we're gonna be using. It could be an image or a video, right? And then we also need to have about 3 headlines, 3 primary tags, and 3 description. Why I say 3 is because I like to test multiple images, headlines, and primary text for each sections. And we're going to be using what's called a dynamic creative, where Facebook is going to interchange the different headlines, primary text, and descriptions with the images to see which one performs the best, right? And I'll show you what that looks like. But before we set it up, we need to have 3 different variations of each of these elements, and then we could be able to ready to set up our Facebook ad. All right, so the first place that I'm going to go to is Big Spy, and Big Spy is a great place to get not only ad creatives, but also get inspiration to make your creatives, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in Java Burn here, and what this is going to do is basically pull up all of the ads out there that are currently promoting Java Burn, and then we're gonna create an ad from that, right? So these are all the ads that are running right now that promotes Java Burn. Now I don't like to use ads with the actual pictures and videos of Java Burn, so I would prefer to use something where like it doesn't talk about Java Burn. So something like this, like coffee trick for slimming down. I wish I knew this years ago. Like this is a good inspiration for an ad, right? So this would be a good copy for an ad too. So you can just download it straight from Big Spy. So I'll just download that. Okay, so we got 1 image in here. Lose a few pounds the easy way, boost your energy. Okay, so you can also see that there's also descriptions here too. So you can not just get video images, but you can also get descriptions. So I'm gonna copy this description right here, and then I'm gonna come back here, and then, well, this is actually gonna go into primary text, right? This is a little too long in my opinion. I would probably take out half of it. So that's pretty good right there. Lose a few pounds. Okay, so we got one description, and then I'm not sure if I like this image right here. It's just very, like stock photo-y. So you want something that's similar to that last image, where it's more like a regular photo that somebody taken with their phone camera, right? So you want something like that, more of. You can also use like get like cartoon images. These are also really good. Like this one right here. This looks pretty dope. How to hack your metabolism into burning more fat. Right. So I would take this image. So we can always do like cartoon images. These are always Facebook ad friendly. I wouldn't use this description. Say, are you tired of putting in all the effort and not seeing the results? So you don't want to use any description where you kind of like directly talking to the Facebook ad user, where it's like, are you tired, are you fat, or things like that. You don't want to use that type of description. Okay, so I'll leave that out. Let's see if there's any more images that might be good. Okay, so this is not bad. I guess we can use this cartoon image right here. Right now, you don't have to use these images from AdSpy. Now, I'm not saying that you should just take these images and put it into your ad creatives. What you want to do is take these images as inspiration and then also come up with your own images. You might go and create your own images, hire a graphic designer if you don't know how to do graphic designs, or take your own photos with your phone of a coffee. You can make a cup of coffee and then just take a photo of it and then put some captions over it, and that will do just fine. Okay, so now we are here inside of our Facebook Ads Manager, and we're getting ready to create our Facebook ad campaign. We have our headlines already, and then the images are all ready for us to create our headline, our ad creative. So we have our 3 images here, and then we have 3 headlines, we have 3 primary text, and 3 descriptions. So we have everything we need. We have the URL for our landing page. So now we are ready to create our Facebook ad. So we're going to go into our ad manager. I'm going to hit create. And for our campaign objective, we're going to use sales, right? This is a new thing that Facebook have set up. This is called a tailored sales campaign. It's presets with different dynamic creatives and stuff, but I'm going to go with manual sales campaign. This is what I'm already familiar with. So I'm going to do it manually. And it should come up and show you something like this, right? So I'm going to name our campaign. I'm just going to call this Java Burn. Okay. For categories, we're not going to do anything with that. We're going to do advantage campaign budget. So basically what this means is that we're going to set the daily budget at the campaign level. So you can create multiple ad sets, and then you can have them all. Facebook will distribute all of those ad sets evenly with the budget. So to say like you're spending $20 a day and you have 5 ad sets under your campaign, then Facebook is going to distribute the money evenly, and then some days it's going to spend more on a certain assets that are performing better, and then other days it will distribute it on other assets. So it's going to learn and see which asset is performing the best, and then it's going to spend more money accordingly, right? So that way you don't have to manually go and do all those things. So I always like to set it the advantage campaign budget on, and then for your daily budget, you can set whatever amount that you want to spend. Okay, $20 is a good starting point. Now with Java Burn, it's the amount for Java Burn, the average commission I believe is about $130 let me see, 118, right? So Java Burn is 118 average conversion. So what you want to do is, what I like to do is spend about $40, $40 to $50. What you probably should expect is that you're gonna probably expect to spend about 2 to 3 times the amount of your average conversion. Okay, so that means if it's $118 is your average conversion, expect to spend about 2 to 3 times, so about up to 300 to 350, right, before you see your first sale. Okay, this is really important because a lot of the time most people will spend like $20-$30, they don't get a sale, and then they're gonna like kill the campaign and say, oh, this just doesn't work. But what you don't understand is that you have to allow Facebook to collect more data, and then sometime it means that it might take you 2 to 3 times the amount of your conversion, the average conversion, for you to get your first sale. Okay, so I probably will, I'll leave it at 50, and then we'll leave it until it runs for about $300. After $300, or maybe up to $400, you don't make a sale, then maybe you need to change out your strategy or just kill the campaigns. It's not converting. Maybe you need to work on your landing page. Something isn't right? So, but that's how you set up your campaign, right? So you're gonna hit next. All right. So the ad set, we're just gonna call it ad set 1 for now. So ad set is basically your targeting. So you're targeting who you want to target, which audience to. And then for the event, we're gonna go for purchase, conversion event. This is what we're optimizing for, is purchase, right? We're gonna turn on dynamic creative. So if you remember where we had 3 images, 3 headlines, where we had these variations, what that is gonna do is basically Facebook is gonna test all these different variations and with different combination, and see which combination works best, right? So it might take headline number 1 and description, primary text number 2, and description number 3, and then image number 2, whatever, right? And then it'll kind of rotate around and see which combination works best. So that's the Facebook's AI is going to figure that out on its own. So we're going to turn on dynamic creative, right? So that way we don't have to test out so many different angles and creatives. We can just let Facebook do all that manual work, and it makes it a lot easier for us, right? Custom audience, we're not going to touch that because right now this is just cold audience. So we're going to do interest targeting, right? So this is a new campaign, so you need to start off with interest targetings, and we're gonna look for somewhere in health and fitness, right? So I'm gonna type in health. Okay, and we're gonna go to browse, do behavior. Let me see here. I like to do purchase behavior and hit engage shoppers, because that's gonna allow us to target people who are most likely to purchase as well. Okay, so we want to do engage shoppers, and if you like to do even like demographics, like say for example financial, and you can even target based on income, right? So if you want to target people like in the top 5% of the income household, you can do that. It's people who has a little bit more money, you can do 10. I like to do maybe like 10, 25%. That's pretty good, and then we're gonna leave it at that, right? So we're just gonna do engage shoppers, health and fitness, right? And then we'll do a different ad set. We'll duplicate this. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this. We'll do an existing campaign, duplicate. All right, so we have a second one. I'm just gonna call this asset 2. All right, and notice how we duplicated the exact targeting, but this time I'm gonna change it. Okay, so I'll keep the engaged shopper and household income, but I'll change the health. And because Java Burn is a coffee product, we're gonna type in coffee. We'll just do coffee culture or specialty coffee. Yeah, something like that. All right. And then I'm going to duplicate this again. I'm going to do another ad set. Okay. And then this is the third one, so we'll call it ad set 3. Okay. And then we're going to do a different interest. So let's see if we can target weight loss. Health and wellness is another one that we can do. So we'll do that. Health and wellness. All right, so we got 3 of them, right? Health and wellness. We have just health, and then we have coffee. But all the other behaviors like income and engaged shoppers, we're going to keep that the same thing for all 3 different ad sets. We're just basically doing 3 different interest targeting for each group, right? So, and then we have campaign budget optimization. So it's going to distribute evenly between all of these 3. Now we're going to create our ad. Okay. So the first primary text, we're going to get our primary text here. I'm going to copy this. Add that. We're going to do a second one. Add another text option. We're going to do a third one. All right. Select images. We're going to upload. Okay, so we were able to upload only 2 images because the other image was too small, so it was below their threshold. So that's why, you know, you want to create your own images, make sure that it's the right one. So we'll just leave it as 2 for now for the sake of this video. I'll add another one later. So we got our primary text, we got the image. We'll do ad preview, see what it looks like. Okay, and then we need to get our headlines. Then we gotta get our description. And then finally, we can put our URL. So this is the URL for our bridge page. I'm going to put this right here for website URL. Boom, there's our ad right there. Okay. So you can see what it looks like, a preview of the feed, right? And then you just hit publish. And then you're going to do the same thing with the other 2 ads. So under each ad set, you're going to have the same ads, and you're going to do the same thing with all of them. So you're going to have 3 different ads under 3 different ad sets. And then you're just going to let it process. It takes a few minutes for the, sometimes it takes a few hours for ad to get approved, but it's processing right now. All right. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification button so you get notified when we release more contents like this. If you need pre-sale pages, you can check out our done for you pre-sale pages. The link will be in the description below. We've tested these pages ourselves to make sure that they convert well. You will be able to find any pages that you want to download, and it will be available in the ClickFunnels format as well as group pages and HTML. Along with your pages, you'll also get training videos, instruction videos on how to best run your affiliate campaigns. We also have entire email sequences with lead magnets, opt-in pages, and even ad copies so you can download. So anything affiliate tools or resources that you need, it will be available for you inside, and the link is in the description. So definitely check it out, and we will see you in the next videos. Take care.